Hello everyone, today we're playing Rabbids Coding. So you know this is the beginning. So there is a play button here. Click it. So this is the basics. So last time we played the level 1. So today we are playing level 2. So we have to click it, then go! You must use the washing machine. Okay. Let me turn into the easy way. Okay. So this rabbit is standing into the start. So you know we have to do? We have to send him back to the art with this washing machine. This is the forward block. Put it here. He will go in this time. And if I put another forward block here, he will go this time. Okay, let's see now. Okay, it's right. Keep washing. Okay, and another one. We should be able to make to the corner of the tiles. Let's see now. Okay, he made it to the corner. Oh no, he needs to turn left. Oh, the path is different. So, this block name is right. But there is a left path. So, what we have to do is click this block. Then, see, you can turn. Let's click this. That's the left way. Okay. Let's see now if it's turned left or right. Yes, he turned left. Why you are turning this way? You're supposed to turn this way. Okay. Now he need another block. Here. He will go there. Let's see now. Why is this guy slow? Fast. Okay, one more. Here, then he will go to the washing machine. Bye bye. Yes! I got 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the end of the video. Bye.